Friday, nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon makapag-DoorDash. Nabigyan tayo ng schedule ng DoorDash. Ang schedule natin is 5 to 8 p.m. But I don't think makakaabot tayo ng 8 kasi minsan 7 p.m. bumababa ng araw, madilim na. Though nakapag-start ako before 5, so that's a good thing. Meaning to say, open yung slot. Meaning to say, kulang ang nag-DoorDash, and there will be a bigger opportunity for us na makakuha ng order today. Samahan nyo ako, sana makarami tayo at tuloy-tuloy sa ating pagkita. May bibili tayo, kaya kailangan natin kumayod. Tara! Ito na tayo, may first order tayo sa Chipotle. Malapit lang yung tambayan natin, kaya mag-bis tayo nakarating. It is a 0.4 miles for $7. Tuluan na natin siya at minessage na natin yung customers. Unfortunately, marami nag-aantay na kukuha or mag-pick up also ng pagkain. Siguro medyo nahihirapan sila mag-prepare. Kaya minessage ko yung customer na nandito na ako at piniprepare pa yung pagkain niya. Update ko kayo. Kuha na natin yung order. Ito na yung order na message na natin siya na nakuha na natin. Marami naghihintay pero nandun na pala yung order. Tingin ko, dinispute ko or dinecline ko itong DoorDash. Nagawa na ito kanina. Siguro natagalan yung dinecline nila. Kaya yung pagdating ko gawa na. Usually ganun yung nangyayari. Kahit na medyo maraming nagpipick up ng DoorDash. Magawa na yung order mo. Hindi dahil na priority ka. Hindi dahil baka may nag-pick up or may nag-accept na nun pero natagalan mag-pick up. Dispute nila kaya napunta sa akin. Tara, gawin natin. Welcome. Guys, binakuha na ulit tayo ng second order. Ngayon naman sa Chipotle again and sa Uber Eats. So it's $4.63 for 1 minute lang. Hindi ko nakita kung ilang miles pero I think wala pa tong 1 mile. So puntahan na natin, nandito na ako. Tara! No one here. Yeah.
Yeah, they step away sometimes.
Yes, probably.
They should be back in a few minutes.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I just have delivery. He said that ask the leasing office to let you go up to the pool, second floor.
I'm gonna buzz you up.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna buzz you up.
Oh,
second
sure.
Floor.
Sure. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Going up.
So sabi ng customer, i-meet daw siya sa second floor, dun sa pool. Kaya doon natin siya i-meet at bibigay natin itong kanyang order. Tara!
Going down.
So may pinakita siyang picture. Sabi niya doon daw natin siya i-meet. Kita ko na. I'm sure nandito siya. Hello, Colin. Yeah, this is from Uber Eats. I'm already here. The picture that you sent. Thank you. Appreciate it. No worries. So, wala pa yung guest. Pababa pa lang siya. Yung customer pababa pa lang. Tintayin natin siya dito. Tara. Hi, Colin. Appreciate it. Thank you for meeting me here.
Thank you.
No worries. Enjoy.
Good evening.
You too. Thank you.